Are you having dryness in your throat or airways, or dryness in your eye, suffering from cough or cold, dryness and breaking out of your skin? Well, don't worry, as we have the perfect solution for you. Presenting to you the MCP all-in-one vaporizer. It is useful for respiratory tract infection, softening of the skin and facial steaming. So let's open the box and see what's inside. As you can see, we have 3 attachments and a main unit here. The first unit is for your nose. You can apply it to your nose and inhale steam through it in case of cold and sore throat. It will prove very useful in such situations. Apart from this, we have a second attachment. As you can see, there is a small hole in it. All the steam will come out from this region, focusing the steam to one particular point. So if you have applied a face mask and want to lose it, this will be a perfect choice. Now, we have third and the biggest attachment. If you want to apply steam all over your face, this will be a perfect choice. It is designed in such a way to fit your face properly. Lastly, we have our main unit. It is made up of plastic to protect you from electric shocks. Now let's see how to use the main unit. First, put water into the main unit. Make sure to put water above the minimum line mentioned. Do not use the RO or mineral water and always use the tap water. Do not forget to put a pinch of salt in it. Now, fix one of the attachment accordingly. Switch the power on and you can start taking the steam, keeping a distance of 10 to 15 cm and breathe normally. This will add moisture to your skin and bring glow to your skin. The vaporizer comes in 4 colors: blue, pink, white and purple. Easy to use, this is MCP all-in-one vaporizer.